seatbelt fastened and carry-on items still until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injuries from items that may have shipped during flight, and please ensure all your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting a approach on arrival, we'll advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance available to dispatch the aircraft. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback with value and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of the Seattle-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta. We look forward to seeing you soon. Our arrival gate today is a B27, B as a Bravo 27, and then you have checked your bag, and Salt Lake City is your final destination. You can claim your bag at baggage carousel number 6.